Good afternoon, and thank you for tuning in to the Woodall Grain Post-Market Wrap-Up for Monday, March the 21st, 2016. May corn finished the day up 2 1/4 cents, selling at $3.69.5. We saw corn demonstrate some surprising strength today after opening lower overnight and then beginning a move to the top side during the regular session this morning. We can't help but believe, though, that this is some short covering as we saw the funds buy 5,000 corn contracts today and some repositioning ahead of the USDA planting intentions report coming out on the 31st. May 16 beans were up 4 1/4 cents today, selling at $9.02. Soybeans really were weak overnight. They opened up last night gapping down about 1.5 cents, only to turn around this morning at the open of the regular session and really never looked back. Beans made a strong move to the top, forming an outside bar today. Again, the fundamentals of a close like this is really contradictory to the technicals right now as South America continues to report record, close to record harvest near Brazil, for instance, is reporting nearly 101 million metric tons. So a lot of soybeans coming out of South America, and we would continue to advise our producers that as November 16 contract closed around 9:15 today, this is not a bad place to put on an initial sale for the fall. I would advise guys to look at our minimum price contract, our minimum maximum contract, or even our premium contract, and get that floor started and leave some upside potential open here in case we do see a shift in acreage projections from the USDA or any planning delays, any emergence problems, anything like that would spike the market. July 16 wheat was up 3 cents today, selling at $4.73.5. The wheat was strong this morning off some reports of damage domestically, but the reality sat in and got digested, and we realized that it's not that big of a deal, not a lot to get excited about just yet. We did close near the lows of the trading range today. And again, I'd advise guys that have wheat in the ground to have those target orders resting above this market for potential spikes like this, because we can see that any reports that come out as we get closer to wheat harvest that there's damage from disease or from weather is going to have a potential effect on the market with those 3 million acres of wheat that laid out. Hey, thank you for tuning in to the Woodall Grain Post-Market Wrap-Up. Hope you have a great rest of your Monday. Look forward to talking with you. I'll be out of the office tomorrow afternoon, but we'll talk with you again on Wednesday afternoon.